Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Let me see if I'm good to go here. My volume. Then we'll get right with it. Okay, we're good. We're good with my volume. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How you doing this morning? How you doing this morning? It's your guy Ray coming to you live all the way from here. Where's here? Right here. Hey, you want to get the housekeeping out the way if you're on our YouTube channel. But hey, just make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, hit that like button. If you're over there on Facebook land, listen, let's get over there to our YouTube page at Self Financial Network. Okay, if you're Facebook right now, hit the share, hit the like, put a comment in there. I can't see the comments really. Put the comments in there, okay? And we'll do what we got to do this morning. Okay, at this point, we're going to continue to talking about, we always talk about kingdom-driven entrepreneurs. We're a kingdom-driven entrepreneur. This is for you. If you're a new startup, if you're struggling in business, this is something that you want to hear every morning. Every morning, I'm going to be consistent every morning at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. We're going to talk about business, kingdom-driven business finances. We last talked about creating overflow in your business, creating overflow in your business, and we talked about creating overflow through savings, creating overflow through savings. And the last part of creating overflow through savings, we're going to talk about taxes, saving for taxes, because now you don't pay them taxes. Guess what? You could be a kingdom-driven entrepreneur in a 6x5, whatever that is. But let me see if I can add some value to you guys this morning. When we talk about overflow through saving for taxes, excuse me. Another area for savings is not necessarily a part of retained earnings, okay? But it's necessary to keep the U.S. Internal Revenue Service, IRS, or your local tax authority happy is to save. Okay, let me start this. I forgot about it. I had to go over here for a minute. Hold on, y'all. I didn't get my other page started. My bad. Hold on. Okay, we all good. All right, we're good over there on IG. All right, listen. So we're talking about right now creating overflow through growth. Creating overflow through growth, and we're going to be talking about saving for taxes. Let me get this going again. Another area for savings is not necessarily, let me get a wave right there. Another area for savings is not necessarily a part of your retained earnings, but it's necessary to keep the U.S. Internal Revenue Service, that's your IRS, or your local authorities happy is to save for your business and personal taxes. I gotta tell you, when I first started off, that was a big one for me. I wasn't saving for no personal taxes. I wasn't saving for no business taxes. Matter of fact, I wasn't even doing taxes. I'm just being honest with you. I wasn't doing it, So tax saving is crucial part of your savings plan. One of the things that I found out after a couple of years of not doing it, I could not grow. Because everybody asks for your tax statements. Did you file taxes? Did you do a 990? Whatever that is. I'm not a CPA, so I'm not giving y'all no tax advice, but I do know I need to file my taxes. I do know. Now, when it's crucial for having a savings plan for your taxes is crucial. Typically, you should put away 25% for taxes. However, I encourage you to speak with your CPA or tax expert to determine the best percentage for you to use. So like I said, I'm not a CPA, I'm not a tax expert. Those are just some numbers that we use. Additionally, if you're taking any distributions from the business to compensate yourself, talking about be sure to set aside a portion of that taxes. Be sure to set aside a portion of that for taxes. For instance, let me give you an example. If you're taking out $5,000 a month as a salary for yourself, about $1,250, $1,250, or 25%. Once again, get with your CPA or tax expert. Should be subtracted from that and put into a separate account that is solely for tax purposes. So I'm gonna say it again. Watch this. creating overflow in your business, creating overflow in savings. Next, we're going to be talking about creating overflow through growth. Every kingdom-driven entrepreneur should see growth in his or her business. A stagnant business is typically not a prosperous one, and where there's stagnation, there's no growth. For a program or share living program, we were making, I think it was 347,000 a year. But guess what? For 3 years, we made the same amount. We became stagnant. That was through my not understanding about growth, not understanding about scaling to grow, not understanding about scaling to scale. It became stagnated. And anytime that God is a part of something, look, anytime that God is a part of anything, it cannot remain the same. So there's a part of having abundance in mindset, having a growth orientated focus when it comes to your business. So we're going to talk about planning for growth in your business. We're going to get with that tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Continue to be with us. We're talking about creating overflow in your business, creating overflow through savings. Tomorrow we're going to talk about creating overflow through growth, planning for growth in your business. Look, this your guy Ray, come to you live all the way from here. Where's here? Right here. Like we always say here at Silk Financial. God loves you and I love you, and guess what? Ain't nothing you can do about it. Peace out. Holla. See you guys tomorrow.